Here I have Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Then choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding those keys. Release them as soon as warning pops up. Here you can read the warning information, and if you would like to continue and enter the download mode, let's simply press volume up. That's it, this is the download mode of your device. You can read here in that corner a couple of useful information such as the current binary, product name, FRP lock status, system status or OEM lock status. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just wait a couple of seconds until the whole operation will be completed. That's it. As you can see, the home screen just pops up, so it means that your device is in a normal mode right now. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.